Hi guys! So in a recent video, one of my subscribers left a comment saying they had lots of miniatures up in their loft that they no longer needed, and would I like them? Obviously I said yes, and here we are. A lovely big box of goodies. So this was sent to me by Roger, so there's a link in the description, as well as a link in the top right hand corner of your screen. It would be great if you could check out his channel, give him some likes, let him know you came from here, and maybe subscribe for more of his videos. So this kind of feels like Christmas. It's a box full of toys, but I have no idea what's in here. So it's well packaged, which is good. Nothing's going to break or fall out. Oh, it's an old Games Workshop box. There's a few other boxes in here as well. This looks pretty cool. I definitely need to get hold of more vehicles and such like, to either build them as they are or good old kit bashing. So this will definitely come in handy in any future videos. And what looks like a fishing box. So where to start? It only just about fits on my small little desk. So let's start with this box and see what's inside. Straight away I can see some transfers, which is good because I have got none of these. So these will definitely come in handy for putting on figures and maybe even some buildings. Oh wow, some metal doorways. Now these take me back as I used to collect miniatures about 40 years ago when I used to play Dungeons and Dragons as a kid, and obviously back then all the figures were made of this sort of metal. And some metal figures as well, that's cool. More stickers. And some bikes on sprues, which is cool. Again, I'd say I've got hardly any vehicles whatsoever, so having these is going to be awesome. I'm not sure whether I'll make them up as they are or just use them as some sort of kit bashing to make some other sort of weird vehicle. So at the moment I've only really ever bought alt sets, so it's nice to have some things that are different, and this vehicle looks pretty cool. And now onto the fishing box, which I'm hoping contains miniatures and not hooks and maggots. And here we have some more metal figures. Some painted, some not. So I will be doing a video soon where I'm going to show how to get the paint off metal figures and plastic figures, just so you can take old and used figures and then start from afresh and give them a good old lick of paint. So there certainly is a great variety of figures in here, I say both plastic and metal. And I think the first thing I will do is go through, clean them all up, remove all the paint, and then see exactly what I've got to play with. So thanks again Roger for sending these in, much appreciated. And don't forget guys, go and check his channel out by either clicking the link at the top of the screen on the right or going into the description where there'll be another link to his channel. So there's a lot of the old Space Marines in here, the old one-piece jobs. And I'll definitely be doing a video where I'll show how to remove the paint from these guys. If you guys have any vehicles, miniatures or terrain you no longer need, by all means I'd love it if you send them to me. I'll obviously give you a shout out and credit you whenever I use any of the items, as they'll all be much appreciated and I can use them for kit bashing. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and leave some comments below. Let me know what you thought of this video and what you might want to see me do in the future. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell just so you get informed of when my videos come out. If you are able guys, it'd be great if you could share this on Twitter, your Facebook page or Facebook group, Discord and Reddit. That'd be awesome. Okay guys, that's it. Bye for now.